The co-founder of the project is 35-year-old Maria Shipapo. She grew up in Rundu and holds a bachelor's degree in chemistry and geology.
So the idea to add value to indigenous foods started when we moved back to Rundu from Windhoek. We were trying to raise a capital to buy equipment, and right by the time we arrived, my mother prepared for us a meal of chili. The usual way we used to eat it, but it was so delicious. And then we asked ourselves, like, why don't we? It's so difficult to find food like this when you are away from home. Why do not process these, add value to these products, and have them readily available on the commercial shelves?
Shipapo explains that their value addition efforts are currently focused on local fruit, including rosewood, locally known as njiva, and mangeti, commonly known as ngongo. The two local foodstuffs are nutritious, rich, and considered staple foods in the two Kavangos and the Zambezi region.
Adding value to these. And then in the process also we started finding, like with our discussions now, like with my mom, she also told us that from the rosewood we are not able to just use the red part, the aril, but we can also use the beans and process it into a flour. So it took us a long time to efficiently extract it, but it was also a nice learning curve. And we started realizing there's a lot of science behind our traditional methods. So we started actually documenting this. So we documented the different recipes we're developing.
Local indigenous food is recognized in the strategy to enhance tourism within local communities.
Celebration of indigenous foods that are sourced from the Kavango and the Zambezi woodland. That is how we're trying to promote tourism in the country. And these products happen to be found in the Kavango forest, in the Zambezi woodland forest, which is along the Trans-Caprivi transport corridor, which connects Namibia to Angola, Botswana, the DRC, Zambia and Zimbabwe. How else can we celebrate and promote tourism if not through authentic Namibian products?
From those indigenous fruits, Shipapo says they currently process products such as soup, flour and pasta, but research that can lead to more continues. She says they want to set up processing hubs and training centers in villages where the fruits are sourced and employ villagers to collect these fruits for them, all while setting up tourist points to make these products accessible to tourists within local communities.
Struggling with more funding, we can get bigger equipment and improve our operations, be more efficient, produce more. We can definitely do more with more investment and also mentorship. We have a lot to learn. We are new in the industry. We would very much welcome mentorship from experts in the field.
Mr. currently has 8 female employees with educational backgrounds that range from chemistry to biology, physics, food technology, accounting, statistics, and law. Juliana Fuka, NBC News, Windhoek.